Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on ZTE Blade A54. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And your Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.